Today I'm going to give you 2 ways to find your direction, north, south, east, and west, if you're ever stuck out in the wild. Let's go. Asked 10 people if they didn't have a phone or a GPS device, if they were on a kayaking trip, off-roading on a vehicle, would they be able to find north, south, east, and west if they were out in the wild, off the trail, and they needed to go north to get back to their cabin or the road? You know, how would they do it? And all 10 had failed. All 10. One of them said, well, moss grows higher on the south side of a tree. Wrong. One, it's on the north side of some trees, but you can't really rely on that. Another one said something about birds flying, you know, so can't rely on that as well either. But I ask you to ask 10 people as well too. If they had no devices, would they be able to find their direction? I'm not trying to make people look bad. If I was stuck in the city, I couldn't even find my way around in the subways or even know how to do an Uber. But I don't live that lifestyle. That's a place where I would definitely need my phone and maybe somebody beside me to help me. So if I was in the city, which God forbid that to ever happen, I'd be stuck as well as they would be out here in the wild. Out here, I'm in my element. I know. Here's one of 2 right here. First thing you want to do is go ahead and find a stick. Use your knife to go ahead and cut a pointy stick. You can use 3 sticks or 1 stick and 2 rocks. Either way. One, you're going to put that stick directly in the sunlight, you know, preferably a sandy, sunny area if possible. And it's going to cast a shadow. And at the end of that shadow, you're going to stick another stick or place a rock. Does not matter. After that, you can wait 15-20 minutes and you can get a general direction, or have your lunch. Second thing you're going to do, after a certain period of time, you're going to go ahead and place another stick at the tip of the shadow. And then right there is going to give you your east and west direction. So at that point, you can actually go ahead and find out where is north and which way is south. You can draw it right there in the sand. A perfect compass. It's called basically a sundial. Now if you put your feet right at the 2 sticks of the east and west, you're looking at true north. Not magnetic north, but true north. The second method, you're also going to use the sun. If you have an analog watch that has hands on it, you're going to take the small hour hand and you're going to, well, first off, you're going to hold the watch horizontal. Then you're going to turn the watch so that the hour hand faces the sun. And then if you take the halfway distance between where the 12 o'clock position is on your watch to where the hour hand is pointing at the sun, half of that distance is due south, which means the opposite direction is due north. Simple. Hey, thank you very much for watching my video, and I will see you in the comments.